In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable GPT 5.4 in Cursor AI quickly and correctly. If you use Cursor for coding, writing, or AI assisted development, this is a really useful setting to know about because turning on the right model can make a big difference in the quality of the responses you get. We'll go step by step, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along even if this is your first time changing model settings inside Cursor. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top or side area where the settings icon is located. You'll want to open settings using the gear icon. This is the main place where Cursor keeps all of its configuration options, including model preferences, editor behavior, and other customization tools. After you click the gear icon, a settings panel should appear. On the left sidebar, look for Cursor settings, click that section, and then find the Models tab. This is where Cursor lets you manage which AI models are available and which ones are enabled for use in your workspace. If you've never been here before, don't worry. It's usually pretty easy to navigate once you know where to look. Now that you're on the Models page, scroll down carefully until you find GPT 5.4 in the list of available models. Cursor may show several model options here, so take your time and locate the exact one you want to activate. When you find GPT 5.4, click the toggle switch next to it to turn it on. Once the toggle is enabled, Cursor will recognize that model as available for use. If the toggle does not seem to respond right away, give it a second and make sure your app is fully updated and connected properly. In some cases, features like this may depend on the latest version of Cursor, so if you don't see GPT 5.4 immediately, it can help to refresh the app, restart Cursor, or check whether there are any update prompts available. That usually solves most small issues. Once GPT 5.4 is turned on, you can go back into your workflow and start using it in your prompts, chats, or coding tasks, depending on how Cursor presents the model selection in your version. The important part is that you've now enabled the model inside Cursor AI, which means you're one step closer to using a more powerful setup for your projects. And that's it. You've successfully enabled GPT 5.4 in Cursor AI. Super simple, but very useful once you know where the setting is. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.